The most energy efficient of the three heating, ventilation, and cooling systems in a house is the geothermal heat pump. A geothermal heat pump has a closed loop system filled with water that extends into the ground in deep wells, and as an alternative for demonstration purposes, we also have it in trenches out to the pond with a grid heat exchanger, which is a little bit of a less expensive option to do it. The idea is that you exchange heat with the more stable conditions of the earth or a pond rather than the outdoor air, especially on a really hot day. So you get more cooling for the amount of electricity that has been involved. Although a geothermal heat pump system with the ground loops and the installation that it requires does create a larger upfront cost, you get the highest efficiency, so the lowest operating cost, and it lasts longer as well. So over the life of the unit, this type of system often produces the lowest life cycle cost of all the options. In addition to providing very energy efficient heating and cooling, it also preheats water to an electric hot water tank. And then that way you get free hot water from the waste heat recovery of the summertime that can happen in the summertime. This particular system has a very high efficiency rating, EER, of between 21 and 24, which is extremely efficient. It is a two-stage system with that provides cooling to half of the house downstairs. Both of these systems have zone control systems where there are separate thermostats upstairs and downstairs, and their staged capacity allows for different temperatures in each area to have comfort and different loads in those areas as well. The geothermal system, you can see the pipes that circulate the water down either to the deep wells or to the pond with the heat exchanger as well. Another reason that we have the heat pump or the geothermal heat pump and electric water heater, which gets a lot of free hot water preheat, is because this space, our exhibit room at La House, is actually built like an unvented attic.